Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get Minecraft trial version. It's pretty simple. You can click on Play Store, and from inside your Play Store, what you want to do is click on the search icon at the top. From over here, just search for Minecraft trial. After you search for it, Minecraft trial will be available for you to download. Now, the reason why I can't, it's because this, Minecraft trial is not available in my country. But if you're in a country where it's available, it's going to be over here. You can click on it and install it. But let's say you're in a country like me where it's not available. In that case, what you need to do is open up your Chrome browser or any browser you want. And on your browser, what you want to do is search for Minecraft trial download. After you search for it like this, it's going to show you different option. Now you can download it from this place called Softonic. You can click on it. It's going to take you to this page, and what you can do is click on free download. Once you do that, Minecraft trial APK will be downloaded, and then you can install the APK folder on your phone and you will be able to play Minecraft. So these are the two methods on how you guys can download Minecraft trial. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.